selling a stock.
Suppose you buy something at 100 rupees.
Sure.
Don't say I will sell if it is 200. Because that's the way you will not get the multi-baggers. अगर आप बेच ही दोगे तो फिर multi-bagger कहाँ मिलेगा? But always have a stop loss. But it is a trailing stop loss. So we use a more complicated method. But suppose you have a 25% stop loss. तो ऐसा नहीं कि आपने 100 पे खरीदा तो वो 75 पे वो stop loss हमेशा के लिए हो गया. You let it run. 100 से 150 हुआ, 140 हुआ, फिर 180 हुआ, फिर 200 हुआ, 200 होके 180 हुआ, आप रखे रहो. 250 हो गया, 300 हो गया, you keep it. 400 हो गया, बीच में मतलब आगे पीछे होते हुए 400 हो गया. बट जब 400 से अगर 300 हो जाता है, so it is now 25% down from the top, then you sell. So the only other reason to sell would be that sometimes one stock becomes an outside part of your portfolio, so you might want to book some profits and trim it. कि मतलब एक ही stock ये नहीं कि मेरा portfolio का 50% एक ही stock में है. So those are the only two reasons really to sell.